We're not actually going to write a full-blown two-column proof with statements and reasons, but we do want to be able to kind of think through in our mind what the plan would be in order to prove what's being asked of us. In this case, we have the diagram with the two triangles that touch at point L, and we want to say that LM and LQ are the same. So to think through what might allow us to get there, if we could prove those two triangles are congruent, then every part of those triangles must also be congruent, which would include LM being congruent to LQ. So that'd be my first step. I would want to say that the two triangles are indeed congruent. And in this case, I could do that. It's only the only thing that's marked currently is one angle on one side. So I'd have to do a little bit more work. But if I notice that at point L, where the two triangles meet, these are vertical angles, so they must be congruent with one another. Now I've got everything I need. I've got an angle and a side. So I could say that those two triangles are congruent because of angle, angle, side. Once I prove that the two triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side, now I can say that the parts of those triangles are also congruent, specifically the part that we're looking for, LM being congruent to LQ, because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are all congruent. You could hopefully jump to the next step in your mind where you'd say, I'd use this type of information if I was going to do a two-column proof and sort those out into which parts are statements, which parts are reasons, and still work through this. This is kind of a dumbed-down version of that in preparation to do a two-column proof.